Hi, now let us see one logic behind one of the trade taken over here. So you can see 47,500 call and 47,500 put we have taken, and this is a logic behind the trade which I will be taking. So I'll be now showing it is in a live market right now. It is going on, and you can even see the time also over the top, and here this is a trend line I will be drawing for a safety purpose. About the trend lines and about the how to find a trend, everything we have shown in a previous master class which is there in your playlist. So if who doesn't know about that, you can go to that video and you can refer there. See here, one price action is done over here. So a high was made and a low was made, another lower high was made. So I have spotted in the lower high the sellers area, so from which all price points sellers have entered the market. So we'll be trading with price action and volume. Right now only price action I have shown through Heikin Ashi candles. So very shortly I'll be showing you how to find the volume. In this video we will be seeing the importance of volume also. So even here I am using an it is not an indicator, it is a tool which I will be using to find out the volume of buyers and sellers in the market. The tool, it is like a Fibonacci tool. It is called as anchored VWAP. So what I will do is I will be finding out the buyers volume and sellers volume, and whenever the buyers volume increases than the seller's volume, at that time there is a high probability of market to move up. It will be there. So let's quickly come and see. See, I have plotted buyers and sellers volume over here. Then what we need to do, we need to wait for the buyers volume, because we are option buyers, so our buyers volume should be more than the sellers volume. So you can see over a black line over here. In this black line over here, that indicates the seller's volume. So once the seller's volume is defeated by the buyers, means by closing a Heikin Ashi candle above, so that indicates for me that buying pressure is more than the selling pressure. At that time, in that candle close, we will be entering a trade. So let's see now. You can see very clearly over here, and in CE also both sellers volume, this is the sellers volume, and this down is the buyers volume. Here even we can see that buyers volume also is very less. It is because these candles are below that. It itself indicates CE sellers are gaining control over the buyers, so that will be reflecting in PE. Understood the logic? See here, it is above the black line, because that indicates buying volume is good, and it is below the sellers, so there is no entry, because the selling pressure is also there, but the buying pressure is also there, and it is a fight is going on. It is a consolidation going on. Here it is opposite scenario. Here what happened, the seller's pressure is also there, and there is no buying pressure. See, right now we are able to get a breakout. See, buyers are gaining control over the sellers. So what we will do, we will wait for a 2-minute our Heikin Ashi candle to enter, and we need to place the target previous high. Actually here by mistake I have kept as this the first one as the previous high. You can see this one marked, this was the previous high over here. So we will be entering above the this one line of the seller's volume. If a candle's body close, if it is below the body close, we won't be entering. Always remember that the body should be above the line, it should not be below the line. It should not be if it moves above that line, we won't consider. Body should move, thick body, a bullish candle should move above the line. Which line? Seller's volume line. At that time we will be entering. Now let's wait for that candle to close. Yeah, so now we can see that this candle was a bullish candle, and it have even closed above the seller's line. So here we have taken an entry, and our target should be the previous high. This was the previous high. So you can see how drastically the movement had happened. You see the price, almost it have crossed 114. Here you can see the price, because here it is as a Heikin Ashi candle. Here it will be showing the average price. So already the target is achieved, almost 1:10 this ratio. Now already we have achieved 1:5 ratio. So this is the way how you can see, yeah, 1:5 ratio. So this is the way we will be trading the reversal. This is also a scalping reversal trading technique which I will be using. So I hope now everyone understood the logic behind the trades taken. So whichever trade you take, you should have a proper logic like this. So regarding anchored VWAP, I'll make a completely dedicated video regarding anchored VWAP. Okay, thank you.